chapter number 15. Which are the limits of the use of moving floors in stationary applications? Well, the first point is the weight of the material that you want to store and want to convey. This material has a certain density, and it's creating a certain surface pressure on the moving floor. And the thumb rule would be that this surface pressure should not exceed more than 3,000 kilos per square meter. What is the maximal length of a moving floor? Well, you know from moving floor trailers that it's 12 or 13 meters as a standard length. So you can imagine to put several modules one after the other. So you have 12, 24, 36 meters of a combined moving floor for the maximal length. The module approach is also valid for the maximal width. So a standard moving floor trailer would have 2.2 meters as a standard width. So 3 of them would make a total width of 6.6 meters. The combination of parallel modules is not so complicated, and therefore I would say there's no limit for the width. The maximal buffer volume that you can achieve depends on a cost calculation. There are other systems that would become less expensive for very big volumes. The storage height depends on your hall or your storage conditions, but most of the installations that I know would not exceed 4 meters. Well, these parameters give you a hint that standard moving floors would make a volume between 20 and 100 cubic meters. You may have bigger buffers, you may have smaller moving floors, but this is more or less the standard application of moving floors in stationary applications.